here I is. It is, I have no frickin' clue. Wednesday, Thursday, January 12, 13, 2022. And it's gotta be 40 degrees out, 30 something anyway. High 30s. So I'm standing here right in the sun and see no breath. Oh yeah, it's nice right here in the sun. So Sharon got her big rug in this morning from Amazon for her floor in the Stampin' Up room. And we both put it down, put the tables down over it to make sure it was centered, and then put the desk over it to make sure that it fit the way she wanted from one side to the other side, and boom, all done. Yeah, I am all done for the day. But I tell you, this retirement's a tough life. It took me all of what, half hour, 45 minutes tops, bring the rug in from the garage. Yeah. Lunch. No metal, just lunch.